This is the unboxing and review of the Pentax SP 16x50 binoculars. The product arrives in a secure packaging and has hologram seals on both sides of the box. Pentax is a very old Japanese brand founded in the year 1916, but this binocular has its country of origin in Philippines. This binocular comes with a 1-year warranty. The SP series starts with the 8x40 and ends with the 16x50 binocular, the binocular which we are reviewing right now. Inside the box, you get the user manual, neck strap, 2 eyepiece caps and 2 objective lens cap along with the carrying case and of course the binoculars. The weight of the binocular is 900 grams and it competes directly against the Nikon 16x50 binoculars, which is slightly expensive compared to this. But the Nikon contains the adapter for tripod, which the Pentax binocular unfortunately does not have. You need to buy the tripod adapter separately with the Pentax. This binocular has a fixed magnification of 16x and effective diameter objective lens is 50 mm. This is a fixed zoom binocular, so you will have issues observing objects that are nearby. As with all the binoculars, the field of view decreases with magnification, and this one has a field of view at 61 meters or 3.5 degrees. If you want a wider field of view, then it's better you opt for the Nikon Aculon A211. Pentax 16x50 has an eye relief of 13 mm, which is okay if you wear glasses. However, if they had a higher eye relief, it would have been even better. Pentax uses Bach 4 Poro prism. It also uses fully multi-coated optics on every lens surface. This Pentax binocular is also nitrogen filled, which makes it waterproof as well as fog-proof, a key feature that is missing in the Nikon binocular. The neck strap is of moderate quality. The quality of the strap could have been better and longer in length. The right eyepiece, like with all the binoculars, has a diopter adjustment ring. One thing you may not like with this binocular is the stabilization. While it is good for bird watching, but for night viewing of the moon, it gets shaky, especially if the angle of viewing is vertical. So if you want to use it for astronomy, I would recommend you get an adapter and tripod for yourself. Due to its narrow eyepiece, recording the video with the phone was a challenge, but I can promise you the quality is actually much better in real life. I leave you now with some footage through the lens of this binocular.